Hello, 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 how are you? Hello, 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 how are you? Hello friends, welcome to Circle Time in Miss April's classroom. My name is Miss April. What's your name? I am so excited that you joined me today. This week is our activity week. That means every day we're going to do a different activity that goes along with our Winter Wonderland theme. Today's activity is making fluffy winter snow slime. I love making slime. It's a lot of fun. And today we're going to make fluffy slime because during the winter time it snows and snow is fluffy and fun. So we're going to make our slime fluffy and fun. Are you ready to make fluffy snow slime? Perfect. Let's get started. Okay friends, to make our fluffy winter snow slime, we're going to need 4 ingredients. You're going to need white washable school glue, foamy shaving cream, saline solution, and baking soda. We're also going to need a bowl, a spoon, and some measuring cups or spoons. Now, to make our fluffy winter snow slime, the first thing we're going to do is add 3 cups of shaving cream into our bowl. So I'm going to take my shaving cream, shake it a little bit, and I'm going to add 3 cups. This is 1 cup, so I'll need 3 of them. Here we go. Gonna fill it up. There we go. That's 1, and I can use my spoon to help me scoop it out. I've already put 1, now I need 2 more. So this is cup number 2. We'll scoop it out with the spoon. I have 2 cups, now I need 1 more to make 3. So we'll add 1 more cup of shaving cream. Perfect. 3. Okay, after we put our 3 cups of shaving cream into the bowl, we're going to add our white washable school glue. We need a half a cup. So this is a half a cup. Open my school glue. I'll fill the half a cup up with glue. There we go. And we'll add it to our shaving cream. Scoop it in there. Perfect. And now we're going to mix the shaving cream and the glue together. So I'm just gonna mix it in the bowl together before we add our next ingredient. Okay, once it's all mixed up, we are going to add baking soda next. We only need a half a teaspoon of baking soda for our fluffy snow slime. So I'll get my half a teaspoon and I'll put some baking soda. There we go. A half a teaspoon, and I'll just spread it in the slime. Perfect. And then we'll mix that together. So I'm going to keep mixing until I see that the baking soda is mixed in really good with the glue and the shaving cream. Okay, next we're going to add our saline solution. We need 1 tablespoon of saline solution. Here's 1 tablespoon. So I add the solution into the spoon. And I fill it up to the top to make 1 tablespoon. There we go. And we're gonna pour it in there and mix. Now, we're going to keep mixing for this step until all of the slime is starting to stick together in the middle and it's not stuck to the sides of the bowl. I can already see it starting to come together. It's getting a little harder to stir. It's all sticking to the spoon now. Okay, my slime looks really sticky, so what I'm going to do is add a little more saline solution. So if your slime is really sticky, you'll just add saline solution. Don't add too much at one time because then it won't work as well. So we'll just add a little bit and stir that in. Another good idea is to take the solution and put it on your hands and then pick up the slime and knead it together that way. So let's try that. We'll put our spoon right here. There we go. I'm going to put a little solution on my hand. Put it on both hands, so let me rub that together. Then I'm going to pick up my slime and I'm going to mix it together. Ooh, there we go. Ooh, this slime's pretty messy. I definitely need a little more solution. So let me grab a napkin so I don't get my solution full of slime. There we go. We'll add some more solution onto our slime. Probably need a good bit since it's so sticky. Uh-oh, it's stuck to the paper. That's okay. Okay, now let's mix that together. That's a lot better. There we go. Now it's not as sticky to my hands. So you may need a little more than a tablespoon of slime. You might need to add a tablespoon and a half or maybe 2 tablespoons. Just add a little at a time because then you don't want to add too much. It'll mess up the slime. All right, there we go. Now we have our fluffy white snow slime. Wow, look at that. And it does feel very, very fluffy. And it looks like snow because it's white. Now you could also add glitter to your slime if you'd like to give it a glittery winter look. Maybe some blue glitter or some silver glitter. That would make it look very wintry. But now you can just have fun with your slime. Pull it apart. Put it back together. There are so many different kinds of slimes you can make. I like the fluffy slime. It's really soft. And now that we have our slime, we can just have fun with it. And if you want to save your slime, all you need to do is store it in a sealed Ziploc bag and it'll last a little while. And you can play with your slime whenever you're ready. Wow, friends, did you enjoy making our fluffy winter snow slime? I did. I had a lot of fun. And all we needed were 4 ingredients. We used foamy shaving cream, washable school glue, baking soda, and saline solution. So if you get those 4 things, you can make fluffy snow slime at home with your parents. And it's a lot of fun to play with. And it pretty much looks like snow. Tomorrow we have another fun winter activity. So make sure you join me for circle time tomorrow. Bye. Hi everyone, if you enjoyed this video, click the like button. And if you would like to see more videos just like this one from Miss April's classroom, make sure you click subscribe.